In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a WordPress website with Elementor. Before we dive into the actual editing process, it's essential to understand that Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin for WordPress, which allows for a drag-and-drop editing experience. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, Elementor can simplify the process of designing beautiful, responsive websites. Now, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site's admin dashboard. You can usually do this by typing in the website's URL followed by WP admin. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard screen, which is essentially the control center for your WordPress website. The next step is to ensure that Elementor is installed as a plugin on your WordPress site. To check this, head over to the Plugins section in your dashboard, which you can access from the left-hand menu. This section gives you a list of all the plugins currently installed on your site. Look for Elementor within the list. If it's not installed yet, you can easily add it by clicking the Add New button, searching for Elementor, and then installing and activating it from there. Once you've confirmed that Elementor is installed and ready to go, it's time to find the page you want to edit. To do this, click on the Pages link in the dashboard menu. This will take you to a list of all the pages on your site. Scroll through it until you find the one you'd like to work on. Click on its title to view more details. For the next part, you're going to initiate the editing process by clicking on the Edit with Elementor button. This button appears right next to the title of the page when you're viewing your list of pages. Once you click that, you'll be redirected to the Elementor Editor interface, which is your playground for creating and modifying your page layout. In the Elementor Editor, you'll see the visual representation of your page on the right, and a sidebar with various editing tools on the left. From the sidebar, you can drag and drop different elements, such as text boxes, images, and buttons, directly into your page. Elementor also allows you to customize these elements extensively, so feel free to experiment with fonts, colors, and styles to create exactly what you envision. If at any point you wish to save your progress, hit the Update button, which will save all changes and ensure they appear on the live site. And that's the basic process of using Elementor to edit your WordPress site. Remember, practicing and exploring different features in Elementor will enhance your designing skills over time. So dive right in and happy designing with Elementor!